everyone, welcome to Medical 360 and today we are going to talk about Uttarakhand NEET 2026 eligibility criteria. Students, उत्तराखंड काउंसलिंग में डोमिसाइल का आंसर सिर्फ यस या नो नहीं होता. एक स्टूडेंट उत्तराखंड डोमिसाइल के साथ स्टेट कोटा और रिजर्वेशन बेनिफिट ले सकता है. एक स्टूडेंट के पास डोमिसाइल नहीं है बट 10th एंड 12th उत्तराखंड से की है तो उसके लिए रूल्स डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं. प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी का ओपन कोटा अलग है और गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस के लिए ऑल इंडिया कोटा रूट अलग. और उत्तराखंड में एक और इंटरेस्टिंग फीचर है, 2 गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में लोअर फीस सर्विस बॉन्ड ऑप्शन. So today we are going to understand Uttarakhand MBBS and BDS admissions 2026 from the eligibility point of view, wherein we'll be talking about the state quota, domicile, private university seats, reservation, Kashmiri migrant seats, security money, bond option and finally the document checklist. गोल हमारा सिंपल है, कॉलेज प्रेडिक्शन से पहले अपनी एक्चुअल एलिजिबिलिटी क्लियर करना. स्टूडेंट्स, नीट रैंक देखने के बाद इमीडिएटली कॉलेज लिस्ट बनाना स्टार्ट मत करिए. पहले 4 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दीजिए अपने आप को. नंबर 1, उत्तराखंड डोमिसाइल है आपके पास? 10th एंड 12th उत्तराखंड से हुई है? गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज टारगेट कर रहे हैं या प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी? एंड कोई रिजर्वेशन या फिर कोई स्पेशल सब कैटेगरी क्लेम कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज सेम ऑल इंडिया रैंक के 2 स्टूडेंट्स के अवेलेबल ऑप्शंस डोमिसाइल और कोटा के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं. करियर 360 नीट कॉलेज प्रेडिक्टर से रैंक बेस्ड पॉसिबिलिटीज का इनिशियल आइडिया आप ले सकते हैं और काउंसलिंग गाइडेंस के लिए, दैट टू फ्री, उसके लिए इस पर्टिकुलर वेरीफाइड नंबर पर नीट सेंड कर सकते हैं. बट फाइनल एलिजिबिलिटी ऑलवेज ऑफिशियल काउंसलिंग रूल्स and documents decide करेंगे. So, what we will cover? We are going to cover 7 things and that are counseling framework, seat quota structure, nationality and domicile rules, educational qualification, reservation categories and the 100-point roster, horizontal reservation, registration, security fee and bond provision. Now, who conducts Uttarakhand counseling? State Counseling Authority is Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna Uttarakhand Medical Education University HNBU-MU Dehradun. It conducts the Uttarakhand State Centralized Counseling for MBBS/BDS at government medical colleges, private medical and dental colleges and private university medical colleges. ठीक है? Now talking about Government of Uttarakhand Medical Education Section, it notifies reservation policy, fee regulation orders and service bond scheme that governs the eligibility. Talking about NMC, it grants annual letter of permission or renewal to each college confirming its sanctioned MBBS/BDS intake for the academic session. The last, Uttarakhand State Private University Act 2023. It governs the 3 private university medical colleges, HIMS, HIMS, SGRRI, MHS, GBCM. These universities are authorized to be determine their own tuition, other fees and refund policy. Remember this thing. अब बात करते हैं गवर्नमेंट वर्सेस प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी सीट्स. गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेजेस ब्रॉडली क्या फॉलो करते हैं? वो फॉलो करते हैं 85% उत्तराखंड स्टेट कोटा एंड 15% ऑल इंडिया कोटा, दैट टू थ्रू MCC ओवर हियर. ठीक है, 85% उत्तराखंड स्टेट कोटा फिल्ड बाय HNBU-MU on the state merit list basically. I already told you. Now the state side is where Uttarakhand category reservation and state specific benefits apply. Over here I also want to talk about Kashmiri migrant seat in each government medical college, which means 5 such seats across the 5 colleges under the stated framework. You can just have a look, 1 seat per government college, 5 in total for the Kashmiri migrants. Now talking about the private universities, which is different. For HIMS, you can just have a look. The structure shown is 70% open and 30% Uttarakhand domicile. This 30% state allocation is independently supported by SRHUS current admission information. Talking about SGRRIMHS, 75% AIOQ, that means 188 seats plus 25% Uttarakhand domicile quota corresponds to 62 seats, also carrying an NRI allocation within AIOQ basically. What is AIOQ? It's All India Open Quota. Remember this thing. So, private university open quota does not mean direct admission. NEET qualification and authorized common counseling still matter. Now, talking about the three domicile situation. Domicile को easiest way में समझते हैं हम. Scenario 1 देखते हैं. Uttarakhand domicile. Yes, I'm talking about this. Uttarakhand domicile plus 10th and 12th both from Uttarakhand. This is the strongest state eligibility position including applicable reservation benefits. Scenario 2, just have a look over here. No Uttarakhand domicile, but both 10th and 12th are from Uttarakhand. So over here, eligible for state quota but not entitled to reservation benefits. I'm talking about for scenario B. Then scenario C, UK domicile, Uttarakhand domicile है, but out of state, मतलब domiciled in Uttarakhand but passed 10th and 12th outside state. Just have a look over here. Yes, so he or she is eligible but must upload a valid state issued domicile certificate. And yes, the category students, please remember, domicile proof and category proof are separate documents. If category proof is not accepted, the candidate may be treated as unreserved, subject to the final counseling rules. Now talking about the educational qualification age and minimum marks. The qualifying exam is 10 plus 2 or equivalent, having passed physics, chemistry, biology, biotechnology and English individually. What should be the age? The age is as per the latest NTA NMC Honorable Courts Government of India guidelines for NEET UG 2026. No separate Uttarakhand specific age rule stated in the bulletin. You can just have a look over here also. Minimum marks for unreserved and EWS category, 50% aggregate in physics, chemistry and biology or biotechnology at the qualifying exam. Minimum marks for SC, ST, OBC, 40% aggregate in physics, chemistry and biology or biotechnology. Have a look. Minimum marks for PWD candidates, general oblique EWS, 45% aggregate in physics, chemistry, biology and biotechnology. That is fine. Now, talking about NEET UG 2026, yes, must qualify NEET UG 2026 examination and meet every eligibility condition in the NEET UG 2026 information bulletin as well. Please do remember. Now, if I talk about the age, since the specific age rule is not separately mentioned, but it must be clear that the candidate must complete 17 years on or before 31st December 2026. Now, talking about the reservation and 100-point roster. State quota reservation. Now, what you need to actually have a look over here is that Uttarakhand follows a college-wise 100-point roster for applicable state quota seats. The important point over here is reservation benefit is meant for candidates satisfying the state's domicile or permanent resident conditions. And if seat remains vacant in a reserved category, there is an established conversion sequence rather than automatic random conversion. Now, roster and application. It runs as a 100-point roster college-wise and is carried forward each session. Scope of seats, reservation applies strictly to state quota seats only. There is no reservation on all India open quota seats. Domicile criteria, only Uttarakhand domicile or private resident candidates are eligible to claim the benefits of any reserved category or subcategory. Now, if eligible candidates are unavailable within a subcategory, unfilled seats convert in round 3 as per government order dated 25th August 2017 following the path ST open to SC open, SC open to OBC open and then from OBC open to open oblique unreserved category. Now talking about the horizontal reservation categories. Over here you can have a look for persons with disability. The rule says 4% of the seats are reserved college-wise. So, For PWBD candidates, the certificate must come from authorized/NMC designated medical assessment board under the applicable counseling rule. Then comes the wards of Kashmiri migrants have a special provision, one government MBBS seat per government college in the framework, and Uttarakhand domicile is not compulsory for that special category. The deck also covers defense personnel wards basically, but specifically refers to eligible ex-servicemen dependents rather than assuming every serving defense or paramilitary ward is covered. Talking about OBC certificate validity, yes, over here the 3-year validity rule is actually mentioned. So don't take an old certificate to verification without checking whether it is still valid or not. Now talking about registration security fee. So over here have a look, rupees 6,500. The counseling registration fee described as non-refundable. Security references shown are government colleges, if I talk about, rupees 10,000 with rupees 5,000 for eligible Uttarakhand SC, ST, OBC candidates. Talking about for the private medical, rupees 1 lakh, and private dental, rupees 10,000. Also remember, registration fee and security deposit are not the same thing. Security exists largely to discourage seat blocking, and its refund या फिर forfeiture, it depends on allotment and joining rules. Now talking about Uttarakhand specific feature, that is provision of bond to colleges only. Yes, the most interesting Uttarakhand specific provision. The subsidized service bond option applies only and only at VCSG Government Medical College, Srinagar, and SSJ Government Medical College, Almora. Just have a look over here. Under the stated framework, bonded candidates pays around rupees 50,000 per year, while a candidate not opting for the bond pays around rupees 1.45 lakh per year. At GMC Haldwani, Government Doon Medical College, and GMC Haridwar, what you are seeing over here is rupees 1.5 lakh fee route. The Uttarakhand Government Medical Education website officially maintains MBBS service bond orders and bond formats, confirming that a formal bond framework exists. But before taking a bonded seat, please don't look only at the lower fee. You need to read service duration, posting obligation, penalties, and release condition in the current bond document. Lower tuition comes within obligations. Now talking about the documents required for counseling and admission, NEET UG 2026 admit card, rank, result letter, high school certificate, intermediate certificate and mark sheet, Uttarakhand domicile / permanent resident certificate, certificate of reserved category and of subcategory if applicable, PWBD certificate from an NMC designated medical assessment board, certificate for ward of Kashmiri migrant candidates if applicable, valid government photo ID, copy of the seat allotment letter and proof of centralized advanced tuition fee payment, remaining fee as a bank demand draft plus any other document the allotted college requires. So, Uttarakhand NEET 2026 aspirants, don't begin with मेरी रैंक पर कौन सा कॉलेज मिलेगा. Begin with मेरा डोमिसाइल रूट क्या है, गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी कोटा क्या है, रिजर्वेशन बेनिफिट एक्चुअली क्लेम कर सकता हूं कि नहीं, एंड बॉन्डेड और नॉन बॉन्डेड गवर्नमेंट फी, विच वन सूट्स मी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, Careers 360 नीट कॉलेज प्रेडिक्टर का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है, एंड फ्री काउंसलिंग गाइडेंस के लिए इस पर्टिकुलर वेरीफाइड नंबर पर आप नीट सेंड कर सकते हैं. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर उत्तराखंड नीट 2026 काउंसलिंग, एंड यू नीड टू बी वेरी मच अलर्ट अबाउट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. एलिजिबिलिटी अगर क्लियर है तो चॉइस फिलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी हो जाती है. सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड गुड लक.